Good morning, BB.
Good morning, cameraman.
Day 3, Monday.
There we go.
Now we're starting
To get it
to
together.
work. Okay, the first day we came here was no water. Cleaned the inside. We got water today. Clean the inside of this. This is only going to be for bathroom or clean use. All right, and if we ever need bathroom water, get our bucket. Eat.
Here we go.
All right, it's filled up.
Cool.
I see it's
'Cause
filling up,
leaking
yeah.
like crazy.
Because it won't go no higher than that valve. But we got water. We are prepared for no water. Alrighty. Alrighty. The last time this was clean was a year ago. Last time we were here in November, we sprayed some weed killer. I had cleaned all that out. Now it's time to get this cleaned up. Time to get to work. I sharpen up my machetes.
Here we go.
All right, BB, you do the wife chores.
I am. I am a wife. All this is gonna get wiped down too as I come down here.
Eventually, yeah. We get to it. We
Yeah.
don't next time.
No, I'm just saying, when he's using this a lot, I'm gonna
Yeah.
go ahead and wipe these shelves down.
Meantime, I'm getting there. I'm getting there. One day, one project. It's all good?
Yeah. I mean, it's gonna have to get cleaned out anyway when the guy comes to do this.
Oh yeah, and the water heater.
So, I mean, might as well do
So-
it now. I'm down here washing.
Yeah. Yeah. Like I said, but when you're done with all this, I should be done with that driveway. And
Yeah.
so we did whatever we did for the day.
But like a lot of the enamel paints, I'm just gonna put up there.
Yeah, because we gotta go through them. If they don't spray, then they're garbage.
Yeah, I know. But look, I wiped all this down, got all the rat poo-poo off of it, sterilized it with the vinegar. Same with that up there. And then if you'll hand me those screens, those extra screens, I'm gonna put it behind this door. Thank you, sir, you're in my way.
All right, let you be. Let me go to work.
Go to work, go to work. How you like my clothesline?
That's how you do it. When the belt and the dryer is bad. That's what it looks so far. I'm almost done. I just came up here to see the top view. But we're getting it. Down there you get no breeze. Coming up here, taking a break. Check out the beautiful sights. And get the breeze. Yeah, I had a timeout. Still got this when my daughter comes. All right, that little piece is what got me. But I did all this. I just have to go in the morning because those roots are inside there, and I'm beat. Is there still water?
Yes.
Yeah. I mean, we can only work 15 minutes at a time. Take a 30 to an hour break, then go back 15 minutes.
I got half the house tore apart.
Well, I'm just saying, when you're doing that stuff like yard work,
Oh, yeah.
because then my hands start shaking. Ooh.
Ooh, is right. Oops.
Baby's doing it up, bud.
Yeah, buddy.
And she even came into the bedroom. Cleaned out the closet. The rats done killed everything. Alright, how was it?
Good. But next time I need 2 pieces of chicken.
Next time we could share the rice and the beans because they give you 2. It's like, oh my God.
I know.
But yeah, we'll do that. We'll ask for 2 pieces of chicken on the side, and
Yeah.
but that's it for the day, dudes. Put our time in. What time is it?
I don't know. Go check the stove. I set the time on the stove. Probably about 3.
Was it about 3? Still got a long way to go to go to bed. Time's moving slow. I started that at 11 o'clock. And finished at 2. And the whole time it was just break. That's how it's a lot of work out there.
It is.
All I can do is 15 minutes, and like I'm literally done. I'm ready to go to bed. That's how, from eating a sandwich this morning at 9 o'clock, I can't even eat that rice.
I know. I'm
I'm like,
too. I don't want to get over.
And we still got 2 empanillas, this steak over there.
Oh boy.
Well, I'm telling you, the island time is moving slow, and like I said, from the time now to get to bed, it's gonna be forever. And if I go to bed now, or we go to bed now,
Oh no.
we're gonna be up before the roosters. Yeah. You just gotta. I guess that's what they call a night time. You just gotta work slow. Like I said, I can only give a good 1 hour of hard work. That's why I spread it 15. Same thing with you. You're doing a little bit lighter work. So, you give yourself 20 minutes and then you take, 10, 15. It doesn't matter. Like what someone could have done that in 2 hours or in an hour. It's just solid, straight working. You know what I'm saying? A young person.
Anymore, bro.
Right. No, but I'm just saying, someone could do that in an hour.
Yeah.
But like I said, that was 11 o'clock. Started at. Oh no, it wasn't even 11 o'clock. It was 10 o'clock or 10:30. Remember? Because I was like, it's not even 11 o'clock yet.
Yeah.
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 So, shoot, that took us like maybe, I'll say 10:30, 12:30, 1:32.
Listen, I was not expecting that.
That's 3.5 hours just to do that, and I didn't even.
Well, I wasn't expecting that.
But a lot of it was
take
breaks.
That long either.
It wasn't even straight working. It was just it's friggin', that's tough just with a machete and a shovel.
That's why I said you gotta get a sickle.
You know? Nah, you can't on that. That's
Okay.
It's the weed eater. You need a weed eater.
Well,
But
it's in the back room.
we'd burn that weed eater out real quick.
Then do it the hard way.
I hope she's prepared to burn the weed eater. Well, tomorrow I'm gonna go out there with the weed eater and finish that up.
Because I know I'm not doing no machete. That's how I fucked up my arm the last time.
Okay, dude. PBS. PBS. Rated PG.
Okay, that's how I messed up my arm the last
Yeah,
time.
yeah. Well, that's why I didn't.
And I'm not going to be
That's
doing
why I don't
all
have
that
the weed
bending
eater
over
out.
to-
I have the weed. I didn't put the weed eater out because I was just waiting for when it's time we both go out to the other side. But
Yeah, I'm just...
you're getting this house set up. You get the easy work done,
Easy work, okay.
and I'm out there with a machete and a shovel.
And I'm in here washing my hands in vinegar water.
Okay.
And
And
it
I already-
stinks.
Well, I took a shower. As soon as you're done, you take a
I
shower.
know, but I wound up... Somehow I scraped myself, and I don't know how, but... Ooh, every time I wash my hands in that vinegar water, it's like, ooh, smuts.
Yeah, I had something go through my hair early, but it's okay.
So I don't know. Yeah, cause see, my hand's swollen up like
Yeah.
goose.
We're taking it one day at a time.
Yeah,
Only a couple hours a day, not killing ourselves.
that's what I said. Between 2 and 4 hours a day, depending on the weather and how we're feeling, and we just take our time. I mean, we're here for 3 weeks. We get done.
All right, well, to our next adventure.
See ya. Adios.
No, you gotta say. Gotta start learning how to speak Spanish.
And I can still say see ya and then adios.